Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to write Greek letters. To write Greek letters, you need to change for fonts. For example, I will use these text tools with the text in it. And then you can go to direct tabs, you can click on the text tab. And now search for Greek font. So I will use this option for Greek font. After it, you can write in it. Okay, like this font, and enter, we write again, fine. So that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to write Greek letters with these Greek fonts. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.